An Indiana congressman undecided on health care reform hears strong opinions from area residents. Good evening. I'm Nicole Kahn. Good to see you here tonight. Hundreds of people turn out to express their views on health care reform at town hall meetings, but some wonder if their opinions are actually heard. Kristen Crowley was at Delphi's town hall meeting hosted by Congressman Joe Donnelly. Kristen, how are these meetings affecting what's being done on Capitol Hill?
Well, Nicole, people at these health care meetings, they're really passionate about health care reform, whether they support it or not, and they want their voices heard. Congressman Donnelly says while their input is in a small forum, he and other congressional leaders are taking it to Washington to help form policy decisions.
People know in Washington that the folks in America, all of us, are in charge of this legislation. It's not anybody in a room in Washington.
The voice of the public is what Congressman Joe Donnelly says he wants to hear. The Democratic District 2 representative says he has not formed an opinion on this health care reform bill, and he wants to hear the people's opinions to help him decide. Here's what some had to say Wednesday night.
My daughter is in the service. She's in the Army, and when she was stationed in Iraq, she had a lump in her breast. She got some of the best medical care in the world. If it's good enough for our servicemen and women, why couldn't it be a choice for every person in the United States?
You'll be hard-pressed not to find a strong opinion at these meetings. Take, for example, this wall behind me. This is all from Delphi residents. Letters expressing their support of the health care reform bill. But there are people here, too, who don't share the same viewpoints.
It's just going to throw private health insurance out of the business because they're not going to be able to compete with the government. I just ask him, please slow down. Just please slow down.
Some people got so passionate, the congressman had to pry the microphone away from them to give others a turn.
You're the pro-life Democrat caucus, right? How are you going to make sure it's abortion neutral?
And even the congressman found himself at times struggling to speak over the heated crowd.
You know, it's my turn.
Congressman Donnelly opened tonight's meeting saying that the town hall was open to all issues. People mostly stuck to health care, though. Donnelly says that's the way it's been at the majority of recent town halls he's been a part of.
This is a hot topic. I know you're going to be continuing to follow this for us.
Absolutely a hot topic, and I will.
All right. Thanks, Kristen.